Hi everyone, welcome back to Still Las Vegas. Today we are sharing a room tour video with you from the Skylofts in the MGM Grand. The Skylofts are the top floors of the MGM Grand Hotel. They are huge premium rooms, really fancy, and I'm so excited to share this room with you. This is our front door and it actually has a little video doorbell, which is so cool. As you come in the front door, just to the left here, we have a little half bath. So I'll just show you. So there's a sink and a mirror just there, and the toilet is just behind the door. So a really nice little bathroom with some lovely soap. The products in this room are all of a really high standard as well. I'm really excited to try them. Just coming out of this room now, and we can move into the main part of the Skyloft, and you'll see what I mean. This is just an absolutely huge room. It's 2 floors and it's just amazing, so I'm so excited to show you everything. This part here, we have a little sculpture, and then we just have a couple of steps down to this main kind of living area here. So in this part of the room, we have 2 armchairs, we have a coffee table and a sofa, and the views out of the window are just amazing, as you can see there. I'll go a bit closer to that in just a moment. We also have this huge mirror here as well, which makes the room look even bigger than it actually is. And these windows are actually 2-story windows, so the room is just huge. Ceiling is really nice and high, and those curtains and blinds come all the way down. It's so impressive. Then just here to the side, we've got a little table with the phone, and we have this here called a crestron, which is actually used to control the TV, music, shades, lights, so many things, temperature as well. So I'll show you more of that later in the video. Then just behind me here, we have this dining area. So really big table, there's a lot of room here if you had a lot of guests. You could even fit more chairs at this table than what they have here. It's really nice looking. We have a little sculpture here as well. There's quite a lot of art in this room, which is something you don't tend to get a lot of in hotel rooms. So I'm really loving seeing all of these things as well. Then just here at the back of this room, we have a little storage cupboard where we've put some of our drinks. We have a couple of books that have been left here as well, and then we have the bar area. So there's some snacks here, and there's lots of drinks as well. We've got the price list. This is some strawberries that we picked up from the lobby area down the stair. So the Skylofts has its own little lounge, and there's always some snacks and drinks that you can take, and they are free, you don't have to pay for them, so I really like that. Then we have down here the fridge, which is fully stocked, all chargeable apart from the water, which they say you can have as much of as you would like. Then we have here the coffee machine. So this is an espresso machine. It looks really good, and there are some pods for that just here at the wet bar area. So the pods are just in this box here, and there's also some teas and some fancy cups as well. We've got wine glasses, we've got a nice sink, and just under here is just a storage cupboard and the bin. So just looking back at all of this here, you can really appreciate the size of this room. I just love it so much. We'll head over now to this corner. So just over here, you actually have a little office area. So it's just round here. You have a phone, plenty of room for laptops or anything that you would need. We've got a little room service menu here as well, and you can see the window seats. So these are all cushions along the windowsill, which is really nice because it would be so good to sit there and just enjoy these amazing views of the Vegas Strip, especially at night. So I will include some videos of that. Just looking back now at the living area, again you can really see the size of this. It's so amazing, and looking up, there's actually windows up to the bedroom area. So let's head up there now. Now just coming up the first flight of stairs here, you can see the shower area here, and it has a window so that you can see from your shower out to the amazing views as well. Let's continue up the stair. So we have a full length mirror here at this side, and then we can go through to the bedroom. So we have here a large armchair with a footrest, little side table, and a little reading light as well. And of course you can see that double-storey window with the breathtaking views of Vegas there. This is the bedroom here. So let me just show you everything. We've got a large TV screen here, and then this is the bed. So really huge, nice sized bed, loads and loads of pillows, and we have the 2 bedsides here. So We actually have a wireless charger and another telephone up here. And then at the other side, we just have a little lamp, and we also have one of the control panels here as well for lights and everything. So yeah, just such a nice bedroom. I absolutely love it. Now we're gonna head through to the bathroom, and as soon as you come in, you have your dual sinks with a huge mirror that actually has a TV in the middle there as well. And we also have, again, more of these products. So we've got another soap, and we've got a little body lotion here as well. Then turning round, this is one of the best parts about this room. This bath looks amazing. It's an infinity tub and it has jacuzzi jets. It's so deep, and I'm so excited to try it. Again, there's a TV here as well, and they actually have left us a little bath bomb, which is really nice of them, and we have our towels there as well. There's also a control panel just here for the steam room. So this shower that you could see from the stairs is actually a steam room as well as a shower. So as you come in, you've got some hooks for your towels, and then you just come round here and you've got all of these shower jets here, and you can see out to the strip just there as well. Also in the bathroom, we have a separate toilet just here, which is really nice, and then we have the wardrobe, and this wardrobe is amazing. It is so big. You can see there's plenty of full-length mirrors here, and we have some robes and slippers sitting out as well. Then just looking along here, you can see all of the wardrobe space, so lots of hanging space here. Now with this Skyloft, you actually do get butler service, so you have a butler there for any needs that you might have. Whenever you arrive at the room, they come and give you a full tour of the entire suite, and they tell you all the information about how everything works. So now that it is night time, I am just going to turn off all the lights and show you the view from this Skyloft. But I am just going to click here all off so that I can show you the view. Thank you all so much for watching this video today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing our Skyloft here at the MGM Grand. If you did like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit subscribe for lots more room videos just like this and new Vegas videos every single week.